Hello everybody, my name is Kevin Panzica and I am the finance manager right here at Steet Ponte Nissan, and today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of extended warranties. Now everybody should pretty much know that on new vehicles, most of them come with the two main factory warranties. The first one is the 3-year, 36,000 mile comprehensive warranty, which is known as your bumper to bumper, and that's going to cover all of your gadgets and your gizmos in these cars, which these nowadays have quite a few of them. You also do get this industry standard 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, which is your engine, your transmission, and your drivetrain. Now, the importance of the extended warranties come into play, in my personal opinion, comes to do more with the electronics of the vehicle, not the powertrain. Because when an engine goes, a transmission goes, and a drivetrain goes, everyone knows it's going to cost thousands of dollars regardless of what vehicle it actually is. But no one really knows on how much it would be if the right side blind spot detection system goes, if the computer system on the inside that controls the engine and transmission decides to go out, or if the backup camera stops working. And right then and there, that's hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars in itself. So the importance of extended warranties is to more protect yourself for the electrical components that can go wrong with the car, because 10 years ago, there was about 1,400 parts and components on these vehicles. Now there's almost 2,400 parts and components, and almost all of them are electrical. So do yourself a favor and have something that will protect yourself. And whether you use it or you don't, I'm a firm believer I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. And these manufacturers have all asked our finance offices, just like mine, to help slow things down for customers because the technology has been increasing at an extreme rate. So that is why it is important to look into extended warranties to protect your future and your investment to keep you driving on the road longer.